Ancient wisdom meets modern defiance. This is the birth of a living miracle. To create the impossible, we begin with 12 distinct genetic legacies. These are scions, dormant shoots holding the blueprint for ancient fruits. Slicing a thin layer of bark off a plum branch. The wood is vibrant green inside. We look for the cambium layer, the heartbeat where the growth happens. Precision is paramount. A V-cut ensures a locked structural bond. The host tree must be healthy, rooted deep in mineral-rich soil. We open the host, preparing it to accept a stranger's DNA, the first graft. An apricot shoot meets a hardy apple base. Cambium must touch cambium. This is the moment of biological handshake. Secure bonding prevents air pockets that could rot the delicate union. One by one, we add the flavors of the past, quince, medlar, and rare peaches. Each branch brings a different requirement, a different history. The wax seals the wound, keeping moisture in and pathogens out. The Frankenstein tree is complete, but now it must survive the winter. Dormancy is the test of patience. The cells are slowly fusing in the cold. Spring arrives. The sap begins to rise from the deep. Roots, success, the host tree is pumping life into its 12 new children. The cherry blossoms first, a signal of a successful neurological bridge. Diverse foliage begins to shade the trunk, a canopy of contradictions. Pollinators arrive, confused but welcomed by the multi-fruit bouquet. Nutrition is key. The tree is working 12 times harder than nature intended. Growth rates vary. Science demands we monitor the balance of power. Midsummer, the skeletal frame is now heavy with developing fruit. An apple and a plum, sharing the same sap inches apart. The pigments change. Photosynthesis from 12 different species fuels one single root system. Anthocyanins and carotenoids paint the branches. The joints have hardened. The scars of the graft are now pillars of strength. Nature accepts what science created. The Frankenstein tree thrives. 12 ancient fruits, lost to time, resurrected on a single throne. Some of these varieties haven't been tasted in over a century. The sugar content is off the charts. 12 lineages, one legacy. The host tree provides peak vitality. A genetic library in one garden plot. Harvesting the impossible. One tree, an entire orchard's worth of variety. Sustainability meets art. This is the future of urban gardening. The scar is a badge of honor, a testament to where two became one. As the sun sets, we see the silhouette of a biological masterpiece. Life finds a way to adapt to our wildest experiments. The taste is a symphony of 12 different ancient worlds. We have defied the limits of the single-seed narrative. The cycle begins again. 12 grafts, 12 fruits. One defiant, beautiful living machine. The camera pulls back slowly into the stars. Science doesn't just explain the world, it recreates it. What will you plant tomorrow?